Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, Ayurvedic doctor. Today I am going to talk about irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The name itself explains that our stomach will get irritated frequently. That is the meaning of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. So directly we can go to the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Whenever you are going out from your house, you will get a nature call. That means you want to go to toilet, and once when you are after going to toilet, you can go out from your house. This is the main symptom, and along with this, daily you will go to toilet for 4 to 5 times in a day. Then next is frequently you will get constipation and diarrhea. So your stools will be your consistency of stools will get changed due to the IBS. Your stomach will get irritation frequently. Along with this, bloating will be there, gas problems will be there, and pain in the stomach. It is also a main symptom of this IBS. So these are the main symptoms. Along with this, you will also get the fatigue or angry or depression. So it is little bit related with the mind also. What are the causes of this IBS? Maybe infection in your stomach. Due to some foods, you will be get infected once in your life, but after that this may be a regular pattern. It will change your normal pattern, and it will be disturbed due to some infection in your stomach. Along with that, another reason is maybe because of the nervous system. Some nerves are related to the brain. Maybe the changes in that nervous system, poor coordination in the nervous system may also a reason. Along with that, stress is a reason. Extreme fasting is a reason for this. Anxiety or depression, these are also in the reason category. So what we should avoid in our food items: dairy products, meat, cake, pastry, alcohol, excessive use of spicy, oily, masala items you should avoid. Tea and coffee, caffeine products, alcoholic drinks also you should avoid. With that, aerated drinks also. Gluten items, wheat, the one which is made up of wheat, you should avoid. Cabbage, excessive sour items, excessive fiber intake is also a triggering factor. This all items will not affect for a same person. It depends. When you are getting constipation, you will suit some of these items, but when you are getting diarrhea, it will not suit. So it may be depends in different conditions. Along with that, when you want to consult a doctor, if you are having weight loss in this case, or bleeding in from the rectum while passing the stools, like that, when it is a hemoglobin in your body is very low, and this is also a symptom. If you are sleeping in the night time, then also you are getting irritated and you want to go to toilet. These all are the main symptoms while you want to go and get consultation from a doctor. So next we can go for the home remedies. In home remedies, buttermilk is a best option. You should avoid dairy products except buttermilk. That means that not too much sour buttermilk you can be used. So like that, you can take food very frequently and in small quantities. And along with this, you should try to include 6 taste in your foods. All the taste in your food, not only sweet, sour, or lemon, so sweet, sour, or salty. You should also add all other taste, 6 taste in your. Try to include 6 taste in your food. So next home remedy is, you can use a little bit of jeera, fried jeera powder, fried methi powder. If you are taking half teaspoon jeera, fried jeera powder, you can take 2 to 3 pinch of methi, fried methi powder. Along with this, uh, triphala powder or amla powder can be, you can use amla powder. So jeera powder, with that amla powder and methi powder and a pinch of rock salt. This you can consume with honey or with buttermilk. This is a best medicine. Along with that, Kerala banana is also good. It is also very beneficial in the IBS conditions. So try to include probiotics in your food. Little bit exercise is well and good for your IBS complaints. Like that, you can use in vegetables, you can use carrot, cucumber. With that you can use brinjal and all. In fruits you can use banana, papaya, grapes, and dry grapes also. Dry grapes you can soak in the water and next day morning you can take it. Like that, orange, grapes, etc. you can consume, but it depends on your stomach. Then next, what all are the medicines, Ayurvedic medicines for this? Mainly Mustaristam and Pippaliyasom is very helpful. Like that, Kotajaristam is also helpful. For some people, these aristams are also a triggering factor. So at that time, you can use Kutaja Ganavati is good, Bilwadi Lehya is good, or like that Dadimashta Churna is the best combination with buttermilk, or you can take Dadima Valehya or Bilwadi Lehya, etc. So these are all the main things about the IBS. So please share and subscribe. Thank you.